Hey, welcome to PiunikaWeb, and today we're going to talk about LEGO Star Wars, the Skywalker Saga, and some issues that its players have been experiencing. LEGO Star Wars is one of the video game adaptations of the iconic movie saga created by George Lucas. LEGO Star Wars The Skywalker Saga recently arrived as the latest installment in the LEGO Star Wars video game series. But recently, players have been experiencing a game-breaking bug where they can't talk or speak with Maz in her castle. This is incredibly frustrating for players as it prevents them from progressing in the game's storyline. The developers of the game are aware of the issue and are working on fixing it, but there are no details about an ETA for the fix. However, we do have some potential workarounds that could help resolve the issue. The first one is for PC gamers exclusively. It includes creating a new save file starting from episode 7 and playing through the entire episode 7 until you're on the Starkiller base. Then quit the game and follow the steps that are being shown on your screen right now. Multiple Reddit and YouTube users have confirmed that this fixed the problem for them. Feel free to pause the video and read all these tips. Here is another workaround that involves using the free play mode of the game for a potential fix. One Redditor suggested a fix for PlayStation users that involves downloading your PS Plus saved progress data from the options menu. You can even try following the steps mentioned in this comment for a temporary solution to this annoying problem. We'll update our article about this story as we get more and more new information. If you're watching this on YouTube or Facebook, you can find the article link in the description. Also, don't forget to like the video and join us here for more of our content. This was it for today's video. Thank you for watching.